You have an excellent business idea to start a home business and don't have a clue where to start? It's frustrating for highly ambitious home business owners to grow their business to another level and profitability. Fortunately, we are living in the technology world, where we have possibilities for all those things which were impossible at a time. Onpassive is a platform that is a soon-to-be-launched solution for all kinds of businesses, as this platform has the entire set of possible tools that a business person will require for a successful home-based business. It doesn't matter which industry you belong to or what kind of work you do. The Onpassive platform is empowered with the latest AI technology that helps you to grow with every stage of your business. Let's have a quick look at how this innovative Onpassive platform helps you and your business to grow. Creating a website. The Onpassive ecosystem has got multiple AI-enabled tools, every of which is useful for business growth. A business that has an online presence has a positive impact on the user and also helps a business to increase customer loyalty. Onpassive helps a business by helping you to publish a website. You can choose from a list of website templates and also allows designing a manual website accordingly, e.g., how a business wants its website to look and reflect when it goes live. Partner for promotion. Onpassive has got a community based out of the interested business persons who already support this platform and looking forward to its debut in the industry, as they already know that the bolt of business is under construction. Partnering with a similar kind of business is one of the cheapest and the best way of marketing a home business which any startup should employ. You can also visit other community members and offer them some discounts or offers where it's profitable for their business and your business. Customer database. Going through the database of your existing customers and looking for potential customers are one of a great way to enhance conversion rate, but hectic as well. Onpassive AI-based tools provide you with an accurate insight into the data. Once you understand the outcome of the analysis performed by the Onpassive tool, you can target the potential customers who have more chances of buying your product. Finding a new conversion in your existing customer is easy to achieve because they have trust in your brand. Logo designing. The logo might not be the brand, but it's, of course, the face of the brand. Many of the customers recognize the brand through its logo, and having one logo that helps audiences picture your business or brand is essential. Onpassive AI-based logo designing tool helps a business to create a logo that suits their business image and theme. With the help of this automated logo maker tool, it's easy for a non-designer person to create a very innovative logo for its brand and leave a mark on audiences through their smart-looking brand-oriented logo. Work management. The most considerable difficulties that a new or small-scale business faces are the administration and management of the business process. Hiring people who are serious towards your newly started business and will perform as per the requirement of your business is hard to find. The Onpassive Platform Staff Manager tool will take care of this task for you. This tool will take care of the segmentation of work, and according to the skill of a person, it will assign the job to them with a time frame. Now, as we know that there is a platform that is in making and in the future, it will take your responsibility for handling business and will allow a business person to live their lives as they always wanted to live. There are several tools available in the market which can help businesses in many ways, but having all the tools inside the same roof has been made possible only by the Onpassive platform. Therefore, if you have a home-based business, not to worry, Onpassive it.